Next on the list is NVDA 6/5/2025. We're gonna mark this high right here from the prior day that lines up with the pre-market high. Then we're gonna check the daily for any gaps. It's a nice level right here. Nice double top. It's crazy. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Triple top. I think I like this one. Okay, couldn't break and close below, couldn't break and close above. Getting respected in this area also. And we're respected right here. Alright. Just double checking. This is lining up nice. Another thing I don't do also is I don't chart supports when I'm playing upside. Meaning I won't chart this support right here. I only chart resistance. Alright. So to the 1 minute time frame. 5 minutes in. Okay. Broke out and made it to two resistance. Crazy. Next date I have is 6/9/2025. We're gonna go to the daily. See if we gapped up. No gap ups. And the 4-hour time frame. So even though we have this high, we dipped, made a new high before this high, consolidated. Now we're taking out this prior day high. So I'm not looking at this high right here for entry. I'm looking at my pre-market level for entry. And you can use this prior day level as an exit. You can add it to the exit, basically. So we have 144 flat. Let's see, 144 flat. Let's say we have 144.69. Whenever we have two highs in a day, Most of the time I usually do the lower high, so that way I'm not feeling too greedy and I'm looking for more out of the play. We also have this break right here where we can't break and hold above this level. Let me see. This is 59. Okay, so I'll play with the 59-cent move after 144. See, and it lines up with this also. When we bounce here. Okay. That's fine for me. Boom, reject. Hit the first target. Hit first target, we hold, consolidate, and make a new move to the next high. Look how we reject this area. See what happens. About like 940. Come down. That's it.